This is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to another class of MCQ. So, আজি ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ IT ର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ probable set ନେଇଛି ତମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ most probable 35 question. Okay. So, ଦେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମୋବାଇଲ ସ୍କ୍ରିନରେ ତମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ଏବେ ଏକ ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ this topology requires multi-point connection. Multi-point connection କୋଉ ଜିନିଷର ଦରକାର star मैश रिंग बस डी बसटा हूँ यार ठीक उत्तर। 2 नंबर प्रश्न टैग मैक्स द एनक्लोज टेक्स्ट बोल्ड व्हाट इज अदर टैग टू मैक टेक्स्ट बोल्ड को टैगटा टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड करने व्यवहार हुए स्ट्रॉन्ग देन डार्क ब्रैकेटेड ब्लैक ब्रैकेटेड EMP ब्रैकेटेड सो व्हिच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर द करेक्ट वन आंसर इज A strong। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 SQL was initially developed by कहा द्वारा SQL develop होइतिला Donald D. Chamberlain and DREF Court and Raymond D. Boyce Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce Michael Odenius the right answer is she Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce 4 नंबर प्रश्न MySQL runs on which operating system Linux and Mac OS X only, any operating system at all, Unix, Linux, Windows and others, Unix and Linux. The right answer is Unix, Linux, Windows and others. Question number 5. Tags and text that are not directly displayed on the page are written in dash section. HTML bracketed, head bracketed, title bracketed, body bracketed. The right answer is B, head. Question number 6. Question number 6. Bartaman dekhiba. Choose the correct HTML tag to make a text italic. Double I, italics, italic, and I. So which one is correct? That is I bracketed D. Number 7. Which of the following best describes predicted growth in C2C and B2C action? Customer to customer and business to customer action spending. Option A, B2C spending will overtake C2C spending. Both type of spending will increase. Option C, C2C spending will decrease while B2C increase. D, both types of spending will decline at. The right answer is B, both type of spending will increase. Question number 8. Choose the correct HTML tag to make a text bold. B, option A, B, option B, bold, option C, BB, and option D, BLT. So the right answer is which one? Yes, that is B, option A. Now question number 9. A DAS network is an extranet with poor security that is relatively inexpensive to set up and maintain. Option A, public, B, secure private, option C, virtual private, option D, internet, virtual private. So which is the right answer? Right answer is option A, public. Question number 10. What is the correct HTML for adding a background color? Body color is equal to yellow. BG color is equal to yellow. Background yellow. Background body background is equal to yellow. Option A, B, C, D. The right answer is D, body background yellow. Question number 11. An electronic check is one form of what? E-commerce, online banking, e-cash, check. So the right option is online banking. Option B. Question number 12. Choose the correct HTML tag for the smallest size heading. So heading bracketed, H6 bracketed, S1 bracketed, head bracketed. The right one is option B, H6 bracketed. Question number 13. To remove duplicate rows from the result set of a select, use the following keyword. Kota I use karu. No duplicate, A, B, unique, C, distinct, D, none of the above. ताले option C होची ठीक उत्तर distinct. Question number 14. A null value is treated as a blank or zero. Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, either true or false. Option D, none of the above. ताले option B रा ठीक उत्तर एटा होची false. Question number 15. In a like clause, you can ask for any 6 data value by writing what? Like question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, like 6 and so 5, like C, like there's 6 dots, like that is 6 underscore character. So which one is correct? The question in a like clause, you can ask for any 6 letter. 15. The correct answer is like, that is 6 underscore character. Okay, option D is the right answer. Question number 16. Which of the following can add a row to a table? Add, insert, update, alter. The right answer is, that is insert, option B. Question number 17. Right now at your mobile screen. Question number 17. To use MySQL on your computer, you will need FTP and Telnet, some sort of client program to access the database. C, a browser. D, Perl, PHP or Java. So the right answer is some sort of client program to access the database. B. Question number 18. Which of the following is the largest community in classification of e-commerce? Option A, business to business. Option B, business to consumer. Option C, business to consumer government. Option D, government to government. So which one is right? Option A, business to business. Question number 19. 19 number प्रश्न है, in electronic check payment developed, it is assumed that most of the transaction will be dash. A, customer to customer. B, customer to business. C, business to business. D, banks to banks. The right answer is which one? Business to business. Option C is the right answer. Question number 20. What is the correct HTML tag for inserting a line break? BR, LB, break, new line. Which one right? The right one is A, B, R. Barrows. Question number 21. What does link attribute mean? Visited link, virtual link, very good link, active link. The right right answer is option A, visited link. Question number 22. Which attribute is used to name an element uniquely? Option A, class. Option B, D. Option C, dot. Option B, all of the above. Option B, D is the correct answer. Question number 23. Which tag creates a checkbox for a form in HTML? Now, your options are there. A, checkbox. B, input type. C, input checkbox. D, input checkbox. The right answer is B, input type is equal to checkbox. Question number 24. To create a combo box, drop down box, which tag will you use? Who tag use kariba? Option A, select. Option B, list. Option C, input type drop down, and D, all of the above. So the right answer is option A, select. Question number 25. Which SQL statement is used to insert a new data in a database? Insert into, update, add, insert new. Then the right answer is insert into, option A. Question number 26. The result of a select statement can contain duplicate rows. False, true, either true or false, none of the above. ताले ठीक उत्तर होची option B, true. 27. In a like clause, you could ask for any value ending in QPT by writing. कौन लिखी कि हमें ये देखी परिवार. Like percent QPT, like star tone, like shun dila, like tons. So which one is right? The right option is like percent QPT. Now 28. Most commonly used transmission speed is VPS is 2400, 9600, 1200, 4800. The right answer is 2400, option A. Question number 29. Physical or logical arrangement of network is dash. कौन को आ जाए? Topology, routing, networking, none of the mentioned. Question number 20. Then the option A, topology, is the right answer. Question number 30. Which one of the following protocol is not used in internet? Internet रे कोई protocol टा व्यवहार हुए नहीं. HTTP, DHCP, DNS, none of the above. ताले एठी option D, none of the mentioned is correct answer. Question number 31. An attempt to make a computer resource unavailable to its intended users is called what? कौन को आ जाए? Option A, denial of service attack, virus attack, worms attack, and botnet process. Then option B, virus attack, is the correct answer. Question number 32. A table may be joined to itself. True, false, none of the above. ताले कोटा option A होजी ठीक उत्तर. Question number 33. SQL stand for structured query language, sequential query language, structured question language, sequential, question, language. Option A, structured, query, language is correct. Question number 34. Customer being able to buy products and services on the internet is a result of dash. E-business, e-marketing, e-purchasing, e-commerce. Then which is the right answer? That is called e-business. That means option A is the right answer. Question. Last question of the day. Communication mode which supports data in both direction at the same time is called what? Simplex, full duplex, half duplex, multiplex. The right answer is full duplex. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Best of luck for your exam. Keep watching. Thank you.